Stop using chemical ear drops. Try this 2-ingredient natural remedy instead. Most ear drops are packed with chemicals. Today, I'll show you a 100% natural solution that's safer and works better. Why olive oil and garlic? Allicin in garlic kills bacteria. Olive oil's antioxidants soothes pain. Garlic's allicin fights infections, while olive oil reduces inflammation. Together, they are powerhouse for ear health. What you need: 2 fresh garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons cold-pressed olive oil, a clean dropper. Use only organic ingredients. Cheap oils or old garlic won't work. Step 1. Crush garlic and heat with oil. Step 2. Strain and store in glass bottle. Gently heat the mixture for 10 minutes. Strain thoroughly. Garlic bits can irritate your ear. How to use: warm drops slightly. Tilt head, apply 2 to 3 drops. Stay still for 5 minutes. Never force liquid into your ear. Let gravity do the work. Warnings: avoid if eardrum is damaged. Consult a doctor first for kids. Always test on skin first. Stop if you feel burning. Works in 24 hours. Reduces pain. Fights infection. Prevents recurrence. My cousin's toddler avoided antibiotics with this trick. Try it tonight. Like, share, subscribe. Tag someone who needs this. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving hacks.